We've crossed into the second half of 2024 and three key tail risks come into picture. First is the risk of possible ongoing stickiness in inflation. Energy prices continue to creep up because of geopolitical risks in the Middle East. Shipping rates are higher because the Suez Canal remains disrupted. Industrial commodity prices are also higher as well. In ASEAN countries, we are also starting to see a little bit of return in services inflation, higher prices in travel sector, hospitality, F&B. The good news is that inflation is gradually climbing lower, and we still see the Federal Reserve doing interest rate cuts by the end of the year. The second risk is China's very uneven recovery in the economy. However, the Chinese authorities are doing their best with large-scale stimulus. We believe that all this is enough for China's economy to register about 5% GDP growth this year, and this should reinforce the gradual export recovery in ASEAN countries, triggered off the back of the AI and semiconductor boom. Now, the last risk relates to the US presidential election. The Republican candidate Donald Trump has made very clear his desired policy settings, most of which are fairly inflationary. In terms of tax, Mr. Trump has said that he would like to extend and possibly deepen the tax cuts. This will increase spending. In terms of trade, Mr. Trump has also said that he wants to hike tariffs against Chinese exports to as high as 60% and potentially impose a 10% universal tariff on all the world's exports into the United States. This will significantly increase the cost of goods coming to the United States. In terms of immigration, the policies that are proposed include tighter immigration and potential repatriation of unauthorized immigrants from the US. This will tighten the job market. Now, the good news is this: we are starting to see a gradual weakening of core inflation in the US. Job market is softening. The Federal Reserve should have enough confidence to start the much-awaited interest rate cuts at the end of this year. Investors need to continue to maintain very strict discipline in risk management and continue to make good portfolio diversification.